Okay, oh, my hair's a mess. Okay, it's all done, okay? Let me show you. That's the plated. Crispy. Says no rotating. Right. Cornbread. And here's the rice. Look how good that look. All that crispiness. Huh? Cornbread. I decided not to make the whole cakes. I cut the cornbread while it was hot. And that was my okra. Hubby don't eat the okra. Sauteed greens. Everything came out really good, as I promised. So, okay, now you have it. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube, and of course the Facebook in the Kitchen with Cindy. So I hope you like this recipe and use it. Gotta go.